Díobh agus fáilte go thula le trona, inniu muid go an Macarena a dhéanamh leis an hula hoop. Hello, welcome to Hula with Trona. Today we're going to do the Macarena with the hula hoop. So it has been made and dicey produced agus timbunny with trail leis an hoop. I'll go through the dance routine quickly and then we'll try it with the hula hoop. So, hain, dó, trí, cethair, cúig, sé, seacht, acht, hain, dó, trí, cethair, cúig, sé, seacht, acht. Mana féidir leat léam, ná bhí burtha, héaglaat, siúil, heart. If you can't jump, don't worry, you can just twist your legs. But I'm going to trail as net, leis an hoop. Casawain fantastic. Show 'em which. Hey, Danica Ray, get ready.
Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Johnny Ray, go ahead and take that. Okay, so we're going to put it on take that. Follow that. Johnny Ray, listen guys, so Johnny Ray, here we go.
Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
back our fad. Excellent work.